Bread dipping oil. Ever heard of it? Well, it's not just oil, it's an experience. A symphony of flavors, a dance of textures. This oil, with roots in, is a staple in many kitchens. It's a humble ingredient, but don't let that fool you. It has the power to elevate any dish. The first time I encountered Ayeh, I was captivated. The aroma was intoxicating, a blend of earthy herbs and spices. It was like a window into a different culture, a passport to a world of taste I had yet to explore. I was eager to unlock its secrets, to understand its magic. What makes Ayeh so special? It's all about the ingredients. High-quality olive oil infused with a medley of carefully selected herbs and spices. Each ingredient plays a crucial role, contributing to the overall harmony of flavors. It's a testament to the power of simplicity, of letting good ingredients speak for themselves. This is not your average dipping oil. This is an invitation to explore, to experiment, to push the boundaries of flavor. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest things in life are the most delicious. Bread dipping oil is a versatile ingredient. Sure, it's fantastic with bread, but don't limit yourself. Think beyond the bread basket. This oil can add depth to countless dishes. Imagine drizzling it over roasted vegetables. The heat amplifies the flavors. Picture it as a finishing touch on soups or stews. It adds a touch of elegance, a whisper of something special. Use it to marinate chicken or fish before grilling. The result? Succulent, flavor-packed meals. I can even elevate simple pasta dishes. Toss it with cooked noodles, some Parmesan cheese, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs. Remember, a little goes a long way. Start with a drizzle, then adjust to your taste. Be bold, experiment, and have fun. Let's get specific. Here are a few simple recipes that showcase the versatility of Ayeh bread dipping oil. Chop your favorite vegetables. Think broccoli, carrots, potatoes. Toss them with a generous drizzle of Ayeh. Roast until tender and slightly caramelized. Finish with a sprinkle of sea salt and fresh herbs. Cook pasta according to package directions. Drain and toss with Ayeh, grated Parmesan cheese, and chopped fresh basil. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Combine Ayeh with lemon juice, minced garlic, and your favorite herbs. Marinate chicken for at least 30 minutes. Grill, bake, or pan fry until cooked through. These recipes are just a starting point. Feel free to get creative and adapt them to your liking. Section 4. The secret weapon. Ayeh bread dipping oil is like a secret weapon in the kitchen. It's that something special that can take a dish from ordinary to extraordinary. It's the culinary equivalent of a magic wand. Out of ideas for dinner? Reach for the Ayeh. It can transform simple ingredients into a flavor-packed meal. Short on time? Ayeh to the rescue. It's a quick and easy way to add depth and complexity to your cooking. One of my favorite ways to use Ayeh is as a finishing touch. A drizzle over hummus, a swirl into yogurt dip, or a spoonful stirred into soup adds an unexpected burst of flavor. It's all about those little touches that elevate the everyday. Remember, cooking is about having fun and experimenting. Don't be afraid to play with flavors and find what you enjoy most. Section 5. Ayeh in my kitchen. I remember the first time I used Ayeh in my own kitchen. I was making a simple pasta dish, and I decided to toss in a spoonful of the oil at the end. The result was transformative. The aroma filled my kitchen, and the flavor was incredible. It was a revelation, a reminder that sometimes the simplest additions can make the biggest difference. Now, Ayeh is a staple in my pantry. I use it for everything from dipping bread to roasting vegetables to finishing soups. It's my go-to ingredient when I want to add a touch of something special to my cooking. I love how versatile it is, how it can be used in so many different ways. I'm always experimenting with new recipes and finding new ways to incorporate Ayeh into my meals. For me, Ayeh is more than just an ingredient. It's a reminder of the power of flavor, of the joy of cooking, and of the importance of sharing good food with loved ones. Section 6. The final word on flavor. Ayeh bread dipping oil is a celebration of flavor. It's a reminder that cooking doesn't have to be complicated to be delicious. With a few simple ingredients and a little creativity, you can create meals that are bursting with taste and aroma. So go ahead, embrace the magic of Ayeh. Experiment, explore, and discover the endless possibilities of this extraordinary oil. Your taste buds will thank you.